Hello everyone. Today we will make this beautiful flower design earring. You can say evil eye in form of flower. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, fabric glue, scissor, plier, jump ring and earring hook, starch, and I am using 11 number crochet hook. So we will start from magic ring. Two chain, 1, 2, 1 half double crochet and ring, second half double crochet and ring, third half double crochet and ring. I will complete this round by making total 12 half double crochet all around this ring. I have completed 12 half double crochet. Now I will pull the thread, connect it to the second chain. Now cut the thread. I will add second color. Three chain. It will count as a double crochet. Now second double crochet and ring. I will pass through only 2 loops. Now third double crochet, pass through only 2 loops, and fourth double crochet, pass through only 2 loops. Now there are 4 loops on hook. Now I will pass through all loops. Now 2 chain. In next stitch, same, 1 double crochet, pass through 2 loops, second double crochet, pass through 2 loops, third double crochet, pass through 2 loops, and fourth double crochet, pass through 2 loops. Now I will pass through all loops together. 2 chain. In next stitch, 1 double crochet, pass through 2 loops. In second double crochet, pass through 2 loops. In third double crochet, pass through 2 loops, and fourth double crochet in same stitch, pass through 2 loops. Now I will pass through all loops together. Now I will complete this round by making 12 cluster of 4 double crochet all around this ring. I have completed my 12 clusters. Now I will connect in third chain and make a slip stitch. The thread. Now I will add my third color. Between the 2 chain gap, I'll make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. It will count as a first double crochet. Now I will make double crochet in same stitch, 1 more double crochet in same stitch, Now 3 double crochet in 2 chain gap. Now in next gap I will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. In next gap again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So I will work all around this string by making 3 double crochet in every 2 chain gap and complete my round. I have completed my round and now I will join it to the third chain by slip stitch. Now we'll cut the thread. Now I will add my another color. Two chain, one double crochet in same stitch, one triple crochet in same stitch, one triple crochet in next stitch, two chain and pass through these two loops and make slip stitch on top of triple crochet. Now one more double crochet in same stitch, one double crochet in same stitch, and two chain. I will connect it in next stitch by slip stitch like this. Again two chain, one double crochet in same stitch, one triple crochet in same stitch, one triple crochet in next stitch, two chain on top of triple crochet, make slip stitch, and triple crochet in same stitch, one double crochet in same stitch, two chain in next stitch, slip stitch like this. I will work around this circle by making 17 petals and complete my round. Now I have completed my all petals. Now I will cut the thread. And I will fix the extra thread. I will apply starch. Now shape the petals. Now I will add jump ring and earring hook. Now our earring is ready. Now our both earrings are ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now you can design your own jewelry. Thank you.